Hi guys, Sankars here. This is an informative video on Honda Civic and Honda Jazz I-Shift clutch actuator. Today, I am going to show you how to learn the gears after the clutch actuator repair. Make sure to bleed the hydraulic system using the air bleeder. We recommend using brake clutch fluid. 4. Do make sure the battery is fully charged and fits all the wiring harness. I also warmed up this car before I started this video. I have hooked up the diagnostics tool called Automaxis Ultra, and with this, it is relatively very easy to learn the gears. You will notice that there would be two fault codes. The first one is P19FP, which is a permanent fault code, shift change actuator position learn not completed. The second one is not a permanent fault code, shift change actuator position not learn completed. If you try to clear the fault codes, it would not clear. You can see there are no gears showing on the display. I switch the ignition off and then switch it back on. You will see the gears flashing on the dash display and going off. You may also see in the middle display showing some problems with the I-Shift system. Now I am going to start the learning procedure. Go to Adjustment. Static mode learning. There are 3 steps that need to be completed. Please take your time and check the screen all the way down and follow the instructions displayed on the screen. Then select OK. There are 3 important steps to be completed before the vehicle can be driven on the road. Clutch contact position 1. Contact position 2 and clutch contact position 3. Incomplete. Make sure air condition and all the accessories are switched off while you are learning gears. Press OK. Please switch off the ignition. Now it says to switch on the ignition. You can see there is a 3 position, so it's incomplete. I am sorry I left the gear stick in drive mode. It is asking to shift to neutral. While you are doing this, you will hear the sound of the gear selector moving around with a clicking noise in for preparation to learn the gears. You can see the gear showing on the dash is at a neutral position. This function has been completed successfully. Now, it's telling me to apply both the parking and foot brakes. Start the engine. Important, please hold the foot brake. Don't release it till the end. This is a hard bit. You may make mistakes. The next step, shift to drive immediately. This will only give you 5 seconds, counting down. Shift to neutral immediately, which only gives you 5 seconds to clutch position 1 is in progress. This function has been completed successfully. Now, 1 is done and it asking to shift to drive immediately. This will only give you 5 seconds to count down. Establishing vehicle communication. Shift to neutral immediately and it only gives you 5 seconds to. Clutch position 2 is in progress. Now, position 1 and position 2 are completed. Ready for the third step. Repeat again the same way. Shift to drive immediately. Have to repeat it 3 times. Establishing vehicle communication. Before repair, you will only see the fault code P1910. Once the clutch actuator has been repaired, you must do procedures before driving the vehicle on the road. Shift to neutral immediately. Clutch position 3 is in progress. Completed successfully and the vehicle is ready to be driven. I'm going to close the hood and go for a test drive on the road. Before going for the road test, before you do anything, please clear all the error codes. Switch off the engine and clear. It states to switch off the ignition. Switch on the ignition now and all the error codes are clear. I did mention this before I started the vehicle. To be on the safe side, I jacked the vehicle and started from the starter relay to warm up the car to 70 degrees Celsius before learning the gears so that you don't have to wait longer. If you can't start the car from the relay, don't worry. The time will display on the screen to be started. You may have to wait 3 to 5 minutes to make up to the temperature of 70 degrees Celsius. Before repair, you will only see the fault code P1910 clutch operation problem and clutch position problem. Once the clutch actuator has been repaired, may show more faults. Not to worry, it will clear after learning the gears. Sometimes it will take a few attempts to be completed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any issues with this type of I-shift actuator problem, please contact Sancars. We also repair and ship worldwide. Please check our website for more information. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.